I'm going to start with the beak. Just a square on its side. Just make that a little bit taller. That's the beak. And the reason for that is to make it stand out, because I want it to stand out. And then let's do some eyes. And it's always nice to use these Tombow pens because you can get thick and thin, which gives more character, whether you like it or not. And then we're going to go round and round and do a nice characterful eye. And I don't think that's dry yet, is it? Not quite. We'll come back to that. Now we'll do the blobby bit. What colour shall we do? Shall we start with blue at the top? And carry on down. It's the only part you have to be a little bit careful is going around the eyes. And then we'll go for orange, I think, for the middle blob. And then maybe some red. And maybe a bit more blue. Back to the pen. Well, I'll tell you what, actually, we can give him some yellow legs. Like that. That's quite good. And then his beak, we're going to do a we just make it a little bit darker on one side with the orange. And a little bit underneath. And then we go around a little bit like that. A little bit like that, so there you are. And then we can give his legs some character. That's right. And then quite like giving them eyelashes. And then we can just flick out some feathers. Remembering that this is blobby birds, not floofy birds, but they are a bit floofy. And you can do what you like with these birds. I'm going to grab some orange in my acrylic. Fill in some gaps if necessary. There we are. Let's stand him on the ground. And we've got Blobby Bird number 10.